Good morning, students. Today we are going to see projection system, right? So here we will see uh, Earth. This is our home in the vast universe. There are so many places on the Earth. How it is possible to precisely or accurately locate any location, right? For example, I have to locate Coronado Bridge. This one here you can see in San Diego. It would be very difficult. So this is the bridge. So it would be very difficult to locate this, right? So if I give coordinate of the bridge, then you would be easily find out that, right? So this is the bridge, Coronado Bridge, right, in San Diego. Now, to find out the location over the earth, an imaginary lines, these are an imaginary lines, are formed called as latitudes and longitudes, right? So these vertical lines here you can see, these are called as longitudes, right? And these horizontal lines here you can see, these horizontal lines are called as latitudes, or these horizontal lines are also called as parallel of latitude. And these vertical lines are the meridians of longitudes, right? I think it is clear. So see, so these imaginary lines, these are invisible lines. So what is latitude? So lines of latitudes are called as parallel, and they circle the globe from east to west, right? So these are latitudes. Now here, one thing we have to understand, what is this? So between from one latitude to another latitude, there is a 1 degree. Here you can see this is 32 degree, this is 33 degree, right? So here these lines are equidistant, and 1 degree is equal to 69 miles, right? And each degree, so this is from here to here, this is 1 degree, right? And each degree is separated into small pieces. These here you can see, these are separated into small pieces. I am talking about this line, horizontal line. So these lines are 1 minute. See, this is one line is equal to 1 minute, right? So here this is separated into 60 minutes. So here you will see, so these are what, 1 line, 2 line, 3, likewise. So these are 60 lines, means one line is 1 minute, and again 1 minute is divided into 60 seconds. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, right? So these are latitudes, right? 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, we know that, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now here, see, this is the horizontal line is equator, right? So this is actually exactly at center from the to the north pole. If I will say this is this vertical, here if it will be vertical line, that is the north pole. This is north and this is south. So this equator is exactly at center, right? And if I will see, and these lines, this is called as Tropic of Cancer. It is situated at 23.5 degree north, and this is called as Tropic of Cancer, that's tropic cancer. And within this region, generally what happens, 4 seasons are there, like hot temperature, then heavy rainfall, and dense forest within these regions, right? So this is above the region is called as, now above here, now you will see, so this is Tropic Cancer, this is Tropic of Capricorn, and this is called as Arctic Circle, this one here at the top, and here it is, Here is Antarctic Circle. This is situated at 66.5 degrees south, and here it is situated at 66.5 degree north, right? And now you will see these regions, these color regions. These regions are actually these regions have four seasons, four distinct seasons, we can say, where snow will be there, dense forest will be there, and some other season will be there, right? Now what is longitude? So longitude, so the lines run from north to south parallel to north south pole, right? So see, suppose this is the north south pole, right? And these lines are parallel to this north south pole. So these lines are called as the meridian of longitude, right? So these are called as meridian of longitudes. So this is meridian. This vertical straight line is meridian. These lines are also measured in degree, minutes and seconds. So these are the meridians of longitudes, and these are also measured in degree, minutes, seconds. But one thing we have to remember, that see, if I am going to exactly here, you will see this. It is like it is not equal, right? So these lines are not equidistant from each other. See here, these lines are not equidistant, right? Some distance is different, right? And now here you will see, this is 0 degree, where the degree is 0, right? Means that is prime meridian. So 0 degree longitude is called as prime meridian, which passes through England. From one city is there, Greenwich city is there in England, UK. So this is the point where you can see, right? Now you will be clear what is longitude and what is latitude, right? Now once we know that what is longitude, what is latitude, we can identify any point on the earth, and we can identify the location of that point, right? For example, here if I go San Diego, right? So San Diego has 32 degree 42 minute and 54 second north latitude, and 117 degree 9 minute 25 second west longitude, right? So once we know that longitude, we know that latitude, right? So these imaginary lines, right? These are latitudes and these are longitudes. Once we know that, see, these are latitudes, right? Similarly, these are longitudes. Once we know these, then we can find out the location of any point on the earth, right? Suppose this is India, suppose there it is Saudi Arabia, here it is Oman. We can find out the location of any point, right? Suppose this is the Saudi Arabia, I think, right? So we can find any point. So here it will be clear to you, parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes form invisible grid, and these grids are measured in degree, minute, second. I think it will be clear to you.